Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Serpentine belt on a Hyundai Elantra. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely off and cool to the touch. It's also a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Before you begin, locate the belt routing diagram, which is usually a sticker under the hood, as this will be crucial for reinstallation. Now, let's get that old belt off. Find the tensioner pulley. It's the one that moves to keep the belt tight. You'll need a wrench or a breaker bar to rotate the tensioner and release the pressure on the belt. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the old belt off all the pulleys. Take your time to ensure it comes off smoothly without damaging any components. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Refer back to your routing diagram and carefully thread the new belt around all the pulleys. Make sure the belt is properly seated in every groove. The tensioner pulley should be the last one you route the belt over. Once it's mostly in place, use your wrench to rotate the tensioner again, allowing you to slip the belt fully onto it. Before you finish, perform a thorough visual inspection. Ensure the new Serpentine belt is perfectly aligned on every single pulley. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight and secure. Finally, start your engine and listen carefully. A properly installed belt should run smoothly without any squealing or unusual sounds. If everything sounds good, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.